Hey YouTube, how you doing? So I'm back. As you can tell, I'm back in my room in French's Forest. No longer at my parents. When I got home, I found 3 parcels sitting in my room. I've been promising this for months. Here it finally is, the unboxing video. I've got 3 boxes to do. So, we'll start with the biggest one, which I know what it is. It's a computer, but oh. Yeah, excuse me, I gave a pair of scissors. And I'm back. Alright. Don't say not to use scissors, no. Good. That would be awkward. That's what it looks like. Pretty basic, really, like any most normal PCs. I'll give you a list of technical specifications in the description if you're curious to know what, because it's custom built, so if you're curious to know what I got with it. Looks like that. It does look quite empty inside because there's no power supply in it, as far as I know. It's got this cool clear bit on the side, which I specifically picked because I thought that was pretty cool. And there's something loose. What's that? That looks like the hard drive. That shouldn't be loose. Well, I am going to open up the power supply anyways. Box 2. This one's very light. This one may be power cords and CDs for Windows 10 and stuff. But very light. The last one, I believe, is the power supply. Another fan. There's a fan in there, but another fan. Was this just all? I said, did I put this together? Have they not put it together at all? Again, empty instruction manuals. Tools if I wanted to mount another one. Empty. Microsoft Office. That's the RAM, which is again is empty. solid state drive, again that's empty. Microsoft Corporation. Windows 10. Windows 10 CD. Let's get that out as well. So I just gave you all the boxes that everything originally came in. Why? Doesn't make any sense to do that. Alright, and the last box. This should have the card put in there. If it doesn't, I'll have to contact them and say, oi! You see the power supply on the computer, but there's no cord to connect the two. Anyone watching it, do not use a center com on the computer. They were very helpful. They sent, as you can tell, they sent me the power supply and the computer separately. And then when we send the power supply back, me paying for the postage, to attach it, I'm like, well, no, you stuffed up. Well, forget it, I don't want your help, I'll take it myself. I think I know how to. So, and yeah, this is the power supply. Whole bunch of connectors. All these different connections are going to connect up and the power supply itself. And push the power lead. Very important. Like I said, I go open it up anyway and attach the power supply. So that was an unboxing video. If you're wondering how much this cost, I think it was a total of 21, I believe, if you're curious. Like I said, I'll put the specifications and I can't talk. I will put the specifications into the description box below if you want to know what I got. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The coolest thing about RGB was this. So that red light there is the power supply. But if I push this little button on the back, green, blue, yellow, purple, cyan, and white, and off. Pulsing red. It's not showing up the best on camera, but it's pulsing. So you can pulsate all the colours. Or I can have on this one, where I don't push anything, and I change the colour automatically. Very, 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 very cool. I stick it on blue myself because that's my favourite colour. But yes, it's very, very, very cool. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video of my computer. As I said, the technical specifications will be in the link in the description box below. I do not recommend the company I got it from. I've had some problems and now I can't call them. The number just cuts out every time. So do not buy a computer for Centicom. Other than that, it's working, it does the job, so yeah. One last thing before I go, I did say when I started the show that I would give shout outs to people who comment, so Someone commented on my USA baseball video, so shout out to Jessica Bergbiler, hope I said that name right. Thanks for your comment. And yeah, like I said, if you comment on videos, I will do my best to reply and give you a shout out in my next video. See you later.